Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make half double crochets. So if you're a beginner and want to learn how to make half double crochets, this video is perfect for you. First you have to do a slip knot and do the amount of chains that you'll need. If you don't know how to do this, please have a look at my other video where I explain how to do this. If you have the right amount of chains, you can start doing half double crochets. Here we have the yarn and the hook, and then I go under the yarn. Then you go into the third chain from the hook. So here we have 1, 2, 3. So you're going to hold the yarn that you put over your hook so it won't go away. And then you insert your hook into the third loop. Now it should look like this. Then you grab your yarn, like normally, and pull it through the chain, like this. When you have those 3 loops on your hook, you take the yarn and pull it through all 3 of them. Okay, so now we're going to continue. Go over the hook with your yarn, hold it with your thumb, insert your hook into the next chain, have 3 loops on your hook, grab the yarn again and pull through all of them. Go under the yarn with your hook, insert the hook into the next chain and pull through the yarn. Then take the yarn and pull through all of them. We're going to continue until we reach the end of our chains. I've nearly reached the end. I have just 1 chain left, so go under the yarn, insert your hook, grab the yarn, you have 3 loops here, grab the yarn again and pull through all of them. So this is our first row of half double crochets. Now I want to make a second row, and to make a second row I chain 2 like this. Then I turn my crochet work around and then I do the half double crochet. So yarn over the hook and then I insert it into my first half double crochet like this. Take the yarn, have 3 loops on the hook, take the yarn again and pull through again. Once you understand how to do it, it's pretty easy. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if there's anything that you don't understand, please write it in the comments so I can try to help you. When you reach the end of your second row, you're going to do the same as you did earlier. You chain 2, turn your work, and then continue doing half double crochets like this.